Hi, my name is Eliot, and I'm 10 years old, and today I will be showing you how to keep your stuffy nose away with Nasopure. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take your Nasopure bottle, and you want to take water, not tap water, either bottled water or previously boiled water, and you want to fill your Nasopure bottle up to about this line up here. Okay, and then you want to take your salt packet, your Nasopure salt packet, rip it open, take the bottled water, pour the salt in, okay, and then you want to take the cap, screw it on, shake. Okay, so once it's shaked, you want to open it back up, and you want to put it right, you want to have a tight seal on your nostril and the cap, and you want to tilt your bottle upright. And then you want to take a deep breath, hold your breath, and go and squeeze. And then let it drip for a little bit. And then grab a towel and go and blow your nose. And then do it on the other side, just like this. Okay. And now you know how to keep your stuffy nose away.